Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. Today we show you how to install the Applaud app and connect to your product. To get started, head to your smartphone's App Store and search for Applaud HR. Install the app if you haven't already. After installation, open Applaud HR from your phone. In the "What company do you work for" field, enter your Applaud URL. Remember to include the HTTPS prefix as shown. Select Connect. You can now sign into your Applaud tenant. Things might look different on mobile. Remember to keep this in mind as you build additional functionality. You may be prompted to set up fingerprint authentication. Once you're all set up, it's a good idea to check your smartphone's notification settings. Switch them on to keep up to date with everything that's going on. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.